Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Chat on your phone. So in here, what you need to do to use the Google Chat is open the Gmail apps on your phone. So here I've already opened mine, and after that, to enable the Google Chat option, you just need to go click on this three lines icon at the top and then scroll down until you find settings. Here, click on your email's name. So here in your Gmail settings, scroll down and you'll find the general section. Enable the chat to show the Google Chat and Spaces tab. So enable it. Now Gmail will be restarting. So you can see at the bottom in here, this is the chat tab, and to start using the Google Chat on your phone, you can just use in here. For example, you want to start a new chat, click on the new chat. Here, find the person that you want to chat with. Okay, for example, this one, you can see this is the history, and you can just start chatting by writing your message and send it. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.